Good day. Here is my presentation on how to make cable preparation.
Step 1. Sheet opening. We will measure 12 inch before we cut and be careful as we cut the cable sheet. And do this on the other piece of cable. Cover the cable with mylar tape or electrical tape. Step 2. Choker installation. Next is to install the choker by applying the electrical tape around. Next is to measure at least 1.5 inch to make a slit to both sides of the cable sheet. Step 3. Bonding and grounding. Choker installed on both sides, insert the spring clip in between the cable sheet. Step 4. Final wrapping choker. The final wrapping of choker, including the inserted spring clip by wrapping with electrical tape to both sides. Step 5. Mylar tape removal. The mylar tape remove the exposure of cable core shown. There's no available mylar tape, so I use electrical tape to cover up the cable core. The last step will be securing bunch end. Exposed cable wire should be pulling out the sheet by wrapping with electrical tape to maintain the pairing and bending of each other.